How did you find the event today?
It was a very good event and a very good chance to introduce the technology and the software technology of Liebherr to people, and I saw many questions coming up with a wide variety from hardware to software, so this was a very good chance for us to show, and it was very successful for us.
It was very interesting for us to discuss on this platform, and it was I think a good chance for us to show the people where are the needs in our business.
What is new about embedded systems? Any modern things to tell us?
The new thing is there is nothing new about embedded systems, because many things are there and they have new names like Internet of Things, and we have to connect all the things together. And this is the brand new thing, that also refrigerators will be able to handle this Internet of Things. And this is the new approach that everybody knows now, that there is a lot of software around that we have to develop for refrigerators.
How did you find the people in the audience?
I think was very interesting on all the different topics, different things on hardware, on software, on testing, and also for open source. There was a lot of discussion there which could be answered.
Would you advise young people, developers, to go and specialize in this area, and why?
Yes, of course, because the Internet of Things and the connection and the relation to cloud computing is that what's coming up, and there is no clear picture where it goes. Is it more the Internet of Things or is it more the cloud? So it's a very challenging chain that have to be worked on, and you need all the knowledge of the chain.
What kind of open positions does Liebherr have at the moment?
We have different open positions at the moment. We are thinking for software engineers, for hardware engineers, to deal with all the new approaches we have, which are also very focused on the product, but also focused on new technologies.
Not to forget the system test, as we need for this area.
Okay.
What kind of language should I know if I want to apply to Liebherr?
The spoken language or the programming language?
Programming.
Oh, I expect from a software guy that he's able to adapt to each language. So C is very important, C++, Python is important. What else?
These are the main important things, yeah. And then the flexibility to change if there's something coming up, it's important. A software guy needs to have the flexibility.